I'm sorry, Nigerians. If I cannot do this, forgive me, don't disown me. This is hot.
What?
Yeah.
So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Chilo here once again. As always, I love doing videos like this. So guys, today's video we are going to be doing spicy food challenge. But first of all, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Chioma, aka Chilo. I'm a Nigerian and I'm currently living and studying here in Japan. And I'll allow them to do introduction of themselves, their name. They also have YouTube channels, and I'm going to put their YouTube channels in the description box. But first, introduction.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
RenoReraTV Opapa.
Yes.
My name is Opapa.
Opapa?
Opapa.
Okay. RenoReraTV
Yeah.
is his channel's name, and he prefers to be called Opa. Is your name Opapa?
Opapa.
Opapa? Really? Okay.
My name is Lennon.
Lennon? Okay,
Lennon.
yes. And from RenoReraTV too. Guys, fun fact, I never see a Japanese family's YouTube channel before. This was the first, and I was really impressed because, like I always tell you guys, Japanese people are very shy, so I was so impressed. And you guys already know the popular Yoshi.
Hey, I'm Yoshi. So I have a YouTube channel.
Okay,
Yeah, so my channel. So I'm gonna show you.
okay,
Yeah, private life of Japanese.
okay.
Yeah, please follow me.
Okay, I'm going to put links to their channel in the description box. So guys, rule of the challenge: no water. So we have water here just so nobody suffocates, but no water. And we have prize money. So for the 3 channels, 1,000 yen. So total of 3,000 yen. So here are the rules. The first person to drink water lose, out of the game. If you drink water, you are out of the game. Second rule is who is declared a winner is if you successfully finish your food without drinking water. The first person to finish their food without drinking water is the winner, and the winner takes home the prize money of 3,000 yen. Ready?
Okay.
Shimpai?
Simpai. Simpai.
So scared? Do you like spicy food? A little. Do you like spicy food?
Little.
A little.
Little.
Do you like Yoshi? Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, sure.
It's a lie. Guys, my taste bud has been reducing since I came to Japan. So today is the day I get to know if I am still Nigerian or I have been Japanized. So we are in a Thai restaurant, and the Thai restaurant, they are the ones that will give us their spicy delicacy. So there is no partiality. It's not a case of I cooked and I brought and I cooked it to the way I can eat it. The restaurant are the ones giving us a spicy dish. Okay, all right guys, start repping in the description box. Who will win? Japan or Nigeria? Who will win? Who will win?
Yeah, Japan.
Japan. Hey! You should say it's
Of course,
Japan.
Japan.
Japan will win. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to brag, but I think green, white, green. If you know, you know. Okay, so guys, we are deciding on which one: mild, hot, or very hot. Which do you want?
5 行かなきゃいけないんだよね。
Five? Papa five? San.
で、
Three.
あなたは
Which one?
5?
You want five? No, we have to eat the same thing. We have to eat the same thing. So these are the restaurants people, guys.
Okay, 5.
How hot is five? Very hot. Really? Hey, voila.
いいかな
Fire hot.
せっかく
Guys, this is what we are.
あれどれがどれだろう。
エッグなしがこの2つで、あ、そっか。
The food has come and we are all very anxious. Shimpai.
No 心配。もうファイヤーファイヤー。
We went with 5. We went with 5. So I prefer eating food with spoon. So do you, Papa,
need
water?
Okay.
Chopstick.
No? This is okay. 1,
Okay.
2, no water. Ichi, ni, san, go.
Go. Oh.
Spicy?
Mmm. Spicy. Ah. Ah. 大丈夫？
Nigeria, I'll do this for you guys. Go Nigeria, go Nigeria, go. Yoshi? Spicy?
Very spicy. But taste is good.
Yeah, the food is sweet,
Yeah. Wow.
but it's spicy, guys. Papa is eating fast. Spicy? Vera?
美味しい。
If you want to take water, please take water, but you will not be the winner. Guys, this is the money here. The Igbo girl in me is using this money as the motivation.
What kind of motivation?
Motivation, motivation. Motivation.
教育に良くないぞ。あ
Guys, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. Spoon.
Yeah. Oh, fire.
めっちゃ美味しいでも。
Sorry, sorry.
辛い。本当辛い。
Spicy?
わお。塩まがい。スパイシー。
Papa is my competition.
涙ってなんて言うんだろう。 うわ、辛い。
Yoshi, water? Did you take water?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
ちやまちゃん、water, water.
No, you water. Take water. Water?
No, no.
You should drink more.
No, Yoshi, water. Ah,
おー、おー。ファイヤー。water。これ最初美味しいんだけど。
No.
sweet.
おお。パスパス。美味しい辛い美味しい辛い。
辛い。本当辛い。痛い。Hey. Have.
Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire.
Water.
I can't.
Papa.
Oh. Danger. 다 흔다. 다 흔다. 오. 뭘? 한남이 두대를.
I'm sorry, Nigerians. If I cannot do this, forgive me, don't disown me. This is hot.
어?
Yeah.
すごいでもすごい。やばい止まってきた。
これも蜂抜けが
Papa, water, water.
No no no. Water?
Water.
No, 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 no.
Ah, yeah. Oh, すごい Amazing.
와,すごい。塩まちゃんすごい。
パパ、最初あまりご飯食べない方がいい。ご飯なくなってからもっとどっちが勝つのか。
Wow. Papa.
塩まちゃんすごい。
おお。頑張れ。
そう、パパでも勝つ？パパ勝ったらこれすごい。パパ勝って。パパ勝って。パパ勝って。パパ勝って。パパ勝って。頑張ってパパ。パパ頑張って。これ勝ったらすごい本当に。You are great.
Wait wait wait。
だってパパ勝ったらほどすごいの。だって絶対千代馬勝つと思って。I thought 千代馬 winner. But パパ。あ。
うわ。
Ah,
ウィンナー。
Oh my
ウ
god.
ィンナー。
パパもあともう少しだった。
ウィンナー。
Papa, 早いね。
いやパパすごいよ。
パパ。
いや I thought
ウィンナー。
Show.
can I break?
ウィンナー。
Oh yeah.
Water.
Oh my. Oh, crazy.
Papa was fast. Papa? Nande? Papa was my problem. Rena and Yoshi not my
Yeah.
problem, but Papa was my
No
problem.
problem.
Yoshi bad friend. Yoshi was saying, go Papa, go Papa. Bad friend.
I thought winner Chioma. Yeah. But
Close competition.
same condition. Papa and Chioma. Amazing.
Yoshi bad friend. Yoshi say, go Papa, go Papa,
Japanese.
go Papa. Whew. Please, water, water.
Yeah, yeah.
でも強い千代まちゃんやっぱり。
いやすごい。Okay.
この辛さ。
いやChioma.
ファイヤーファイヤー。
Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo.
Oh, okay.
Thank you guys for watching. My voice is shaking. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was hot.
わ。
Please guys check out their YouTube channels. Check out their YouTube channels. I actually was interviewed by the two little cute sisters. Check out their YouTube channel, RenoReraTV, and also check out Yoshi's channel. Yoshi is the one filming the entire vlog of the day from when we arrived. Water. He filmed behind the scenes, everything on Yoshi's channel. Then on their channel, they have me on the hot seat by Japanese children. And I really love when children are very vocal. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, what do you think about this challenge? So this is the prize money. Go Niger, go Niger, go Niger, go Niger, go. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below, what do you think about this kind of challenge? See you next time on Chilotalks. Bye for now, guys.
Bye. I tried again.
Bye.